I lost 75 pounds and kept it off, even while working 80-hour work weeks as a doctor. But if I had AI back then, it would have been 10 times faster. Today, I'm showing you exactly how I use ChatGPT to automate meal planning, hit your macros, and make weight loss simple and as close to guaranteed as possible, even if you're crazy busy like me. And the best part, you won't even have to give up your favorite foods. By the end of this video, you'll have my full system, and you can start using it today. I'm Dr. Jon Go. I've tried every diet, I've counted every calorie, I've wasted hundreds of hours meal prepping and stressing over macros. And honestly, most of it was way harder than it needed to be. That's why I started using AI to do all the heavy lifting. Instead of guessing my calories, manually tracking food, or spending my Sundays buried in grocery lists, AI now plans my meals, calculates my macros, and builds my shopping list for me. It's totally free, no fancy apps, no paid software, just ChatGPT. Let me show you exactly how it works. The foundation of weight loss begins with knowing your numbers. When I started, I wasted hours Googling formulas, plugging stats into different calculators, and still second-guessing myself. Am I eating too much, too little? Is my protein high enough? That confusion keeps a lot of people stuck before they even get going. AI fixes that instantly. Here's exactly what to type into ChatGPT. For me, it would be, I'm a 35-year-old male, 5 foot 9 inches tall, and 165 pounds. I'm an ophthalmologist where I'm quite sedentary, but I lift weights 5 days a week, and I run a couple times a week at zone 2 for about 30 minutes each session. Want to lose 1% of my body fat per week, it spits out personalized numbers in seconds. For me, my maintenance is 2,550 calories per day, and to lose weight at my target, I should eat 1,700 calories per day and 160 grams of protein. You can dig deeper here too. You can ask it, what if I'm not losing weight after 2 weeks? How should I split these calories across meals? It even explains why, so you can actually learn the science as you go. Okay, so now you've got your exact numbers, let's talk about making food you actually want to eat. The biggest reason why diets fail? You miss your favorite foods. We try sticking to boring diet foods and end up miserable. I've been there. But what if you didn't have to give up your go-to meals? What if AI could transform them to fit your macros without killing the flavor? Here's my system. Step 1, pick a meal you love. For me, it's Thai basil chicken. I freaking love Thai basil chicken. Step 2, find a recipe online. Step 3, copy that link and paste this prompt into ChatGPT. Make this Thai basil chicken higher in protein, lower in calories, and good for meal prep. I want 6 servings. My daily goal is 1,700 calories and 160 grams of protein. Provide a modified recipe, grocery list organized by store section, and step-by-step prep instructions. Here's what happens. Swaps the protein to lean ground chicken breast, added more veggies for volume, cuts oil but keeps flavor, gives exact portions to hit your macros, organizes your grocery list by store section. It still tastes amazing. No bland diet food here, just smarter food. You can do this with anything. Pasta, tacos, curry, desserts, you name it. Now that you've got your macro-friendly recipe and shopping list, let's make prepping it fast. Meal prep can be overwhelming. I used to spend the better part of every Sunday in a messy kitchen. Half the ingredients I bought would go bad before I even used them up. Total waste of food, time, and money. I needed a system that was faster and more efficient. Ask ChatGPT, create a meal prep workflow for this recipe to minimize cooking time. What can I batch cook? What's the fastest step order? For my Thai basil chicken, it told me to chop all the veggies at once, cook a big batch of rice separate from the stir-fry batch, and it also told me how to best portion, assemble, and store my meal prep. Boom, cut my prep time from 4 hours to just over 45 minutes. Bonus tip, ask what other meals can I make with these same ingredients to reduce waste. It'll suggest new recipes so that you can stretch your ingredients and your budget further. You've now got your personalized meal plan, your recipes, and your meal prep down. But the final key? Tracking and adjusting to stay on target. Even the best plans hit bumps. I plateaued plenty of times during my 75-pound weight loss journey. A lot of people either don't track or they track too obsessively but don't know what to do with all the data. Here's what you need to track. Track your weight daily and focus on the weekly averages. Did you stick with your meal plan and calories in your macros? And then check in with AI weekly. Here's my weekly average weight and average calories consumed per day. Am I on track? AI will tell you if you're on course or if you need to adjust. You can also ask, I'm starving between meals. How can I boost satiety without adding calories? Or, I've plateaued for 2 weeks. What should I adjust? It's like having a nutrition coach on call 24/7. And that's how I use AI to automate and streamline meal prepping my favorite meals. All free, all simple, all personalized to you. This system would have saved me years of trial and error. And now it can save you too. Sustainable weight loss isn't about willpower. It's about having the right system. Let AI handle the grunt work so you can focus on living your life and crushing your goals. If you enjoyed this video, check out my other video here where I break down my full weight loss system. Till next time.